Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're talking about custom fields in Flowlu. These are a great way to track the extra information your business needs, beyond the standard options already built in. First, go to Portal Settings, then Custom Fields, and then Main Settings. Here, you'll see a list of modules where you can add custom fields, like contacts, projects, or knowledge base articles. For this example, we're going to add some fields to opportunities. Click on Opportunities, then hit the Add Field button. Now, give your field a clear name so it is easy to understand. Next, choose the field type. Flowlu gives you plenty of options: text, numbers, dates, drop-downs, checkboxes, and more. Let's say you want to link opportunities with Agile projects. You could create an object picker field for that. Or, if you need to calculate potential revenue, you can set up a formula field. There's a lot of flexibility to get exactly what you need. Once you've added your fields, you can manage them however you like. If you need to take a field out temporarily, you can deactivate it. You can hide fields from lists, filters, or the mobile app. If you want to tweak something, you can edit the field settings. You can even add a tooltip to give more details. And if a field isn't useful anymore, you can delete it. You can also rearrange fields to decide how they show up on the opportunity card. That's it. Custom fields are a simple way to capture the details that really matter to your business. Play around with the different options to see what works best for you. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.